Red Rooster is a modern interpretation of a friendly neighborhood tavern. It's a gathering place for people to come together, share stories, share ideas, and enjoy great food and drink. So I started working with Andrea and Josh on another project in the restaurant we have called Holey Rollers, and we were presented with this opportunity to come in and revive what has been around for a long time.
I think there's a lot of memories here, and we tried to capture all of that and the nostalgicness of this bar and what it meant to the community.
So our menu's structured as a lot of shareable plates, a little bit smaller, that you can share between 2 or 3 people. So you can have a wide range of what we offer and have a good meal.
What's pretty unique about us is that we are using as many local products as possible, and we're pretty much farm to table without the price tag. The old Rooster had a really great burger night on Mondays, and so we kind of wanted to keep that trend going.
This is a good date night place because it's very intimate and it's small and it's not too loud.
We've got an excellent wine list. We've got a great beer selection. All of our beers on tap are from Oklahoma. A lot of great breweries here in Oklahoma doing great work.
Kind of altered all our cocktails to be kind of pre-Prohibition cocktails.
We've got about 18 different cocktails, and they're all made the exact traditional way that they were back in 1937 is when this bar first opened.
The vibe is relaxed. It's a place where you can come and feel comfortable no matter who you are.
So come check out the new Red Rooster. It's still your old neighborhood bar with just some changes and upgrades to the menu.